Every time we eat, a hidden journey begins, a journey inside the human body. As avocado enters, it moves beyond taste, becoming fuel. In the stomach, it breaks down, releasing vital compounds. Deeper in the intestines, microscopic structures absorb these nutrients, sending glowing particles into the bloodstream. They travel everywhere, to the heart, the muscles, the brain, igniting cellular activity, supporting strength, balance, and focus. Neurons spark, muscle fibers awaken, the gut ecosystem comes alive. Energy radiates outward, illuminating the body from within. But every substance carries two sides. In some, avocado may irritate the stomach, trigger allergic responses, disturb blood sugar, or leave cells struggling to maintain balance. Nutrition is not just what we consume, it is how the body responds. Inside you, every drop tells a story of chemistry, of biology, and of life itself.